Okay, Cornfed back on duty. Going back into Buried City. The Bird City event is still on. Trying to find as many rubber duckies as possible. And perhaps rescue one or two raiders on the way.
Hello, this is 911. What emergency service do you require?
Medic!
Thank you. Paramedics are en route to your current location.
Yep, Ray's in trouble already. Let's get to it.
Go to the Grandioso Apartments.
Go straight up into this apartment block. No, actually, normally we would go in there, but I'm going to bypass it. I'm going to go straight onto the rooftops here. So I wanted to search chimneys, actually. Oh, I forgot to bring Seekers. It's a bit annoying. It's nice to have Seekers with me. None of that snitching. Not on my watch. Come on, give me a duck. Yeah. A duck and more. Let's, cable up there. Sneaky. Get rid of that now, we're not going to need it.
Let's go to the South Tower.
Nice. Someone's having a battle with a Reaper over there. Oh, flare's gone up. Let's
Down there.
tag the direction. And let's get over there. Nope, bad start. Okay, let's go.
The leaper.
Who's over here? Yeah, I've got a defib. Someone need a defib? I've got defibs. Is there a raider down? Talk to me.
Hello, hello.
Yeah, I'm coming, buddy. I'm coming. Keep talking if you need a defib. Keep talking if you need a defib.
I can't hear you.
I'm talking to the person who needs the defib.
Yeah, that's me. I'm right here in the middle of the road next to the leaper.
Are you on the ground?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, you come to the cloak. Yeah. Have you got time?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, yeah, keep coming to me. We'll just get a little bit of distance and then we'll yeah, okay, we're good.
Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it.
No worries, I'll get your blue shield. You do your green, I'll do your blue, okay? There you go, no worries. Okay, all good.
Thanks so much, man. Good luck.
Godspeed, you're welcome.
Someone was killed in.
Okay, buddy, I'm here in support if you need me.
Is everybody good?
Everybody's good, I think, yeah.
Okay.
So those are bombardier spotters, but I don't know where the bombardier is. Somewhere over the back. I actually need to collect some of those, so I might try and take those two out. Get a bit of distance here. Wow, I swear the AI is getting smarter in this game. That's crazy. They came all the way out here looking for me. really difficult to hit them when they're moving so quickly. A little circle around here. That guy's crackling microphone was spooking me a little bit. You know what we could do while we're here? We could visit the
Go to
water
that
towers.
location.
Grab some green stuff. So we need plants or trinkets right now.
I've got a flashy duck. I've got a rubber duck.
Okay, unless someone's passed through here, should be a load of plants. I just saw a couple, so I think they're all here. Is that a radar flare? Yep.
In the Grandioso apartments.
Don't think that's that far away, you know. Let's see if we can make it. It's a long way, but if they hold on, we might get to them.
Up there.
Okay, was that a PvP encounter? Is there a raider down? Can you hear me? Does someone need a defib? Not sure about this one. I think it might be too late for whoever that was. Suspicious that we heard the train pull out just after we saw the flare. But obviously the raider went down on the surface. Can you hear me? Does someone need a defib? Too much dark around here.
Head home at the train station hatch.
Again with the extraction? Really? You see, I'm even more suspicious now. My instincts tell me to stay away from that. Probably nothing, but maybe something. Huh? Okay. I guess I'll not be looting that. And out we go.